Hi, here's Frida. I am an AI engineer at Google. Welcome to my video today. I wanted to discuss a new trending topic, which is vibe coding. And at the beginning, I was as skeptical as most of you um, obviously are. But I decided to get my hands dirty. I decided to try out some of the tools that we have within Google when it comes to vibe coding. And then, show it to you guys. So I'm very, very happy to hear about your thoughts on the comments. So let's start with Google AI Studio. This is the UI of Google AI Studio, and I'm using the app to create an application that predicts what perfume should I wear based on my personality. So right now you can see here the long prompt that I give to the model. And here you can see also the model that I use, which is the Gemini 3 Pro, which is our latest model. You can see here how the AI actually understood my intent and create its own implementation plan. You can see here all of the files that were created by AI. And what's cool here, it can actually gives you already AI generated features that you can add to your application. What I'm gonna do now is actually take you to the application, which is already being generated. It's called License. And sorry for my French. Here I'm gonna take you to the quiz. Basically, you can see here it is not only wireframe, but an actual application with a backend generated by AI. And you can also see here that it's already being created, right? Here you can see the results. The store minimalist, and fun fact, I actually have one of the perfumes that the AI predicted for me. Yeah, so basically what I wanted to show you also is the code behind the application. Here you can see all of the files being generated by AI. So it generated also mockup data and the metadata JSON, but also all of the other files that actually are used to create the app that I just show you right now. What you could also do is deploy it out of the box directly to Google Cloud. I would not recommend you to do this, as you should never deploy already without any human intervention or human reviewer on AI generated code. But yeah, let's jump to Antigravity, shall we? So now we are into the anti-gravity application, and this is so cool. I actually give it a similar prompt from the perfume generation app, and you can see here how it's in a completely different level. It created a whole task in order to give you an overview how it's reasoning and planning to create my application. Here I just showing you a little bit on how did it work. It also created a whole implementation plan with a proposed structure of the files, the features that it would have in the application, the data model. Here I'm actually also showing you the data or the files generated by AI. Here the mockup data. I also used the Gemini 3 Pro model in order to do this. But yeah, it's a completely different. You're actually talking to an agent and it creates a code completely. So this was also very cool to see. But yeah. Now let's jump into the app that it's created by AI. Here you can see also the application as a walkthrough. So basically I'm going into the quiz itself. The design is also very different, but it's similar logic. You can also see here. One thing I thought was really cool was that it actually had a bug. I told it to fix it, and it actually fixed it itself. So it was also really cool to see. But yeah, this is how it's done.